Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to let you know how we can copy data from one list to another list. So we have two number of ways to copy the data from one list to another list. You have first approach is this one. So you can see here I have created one list. The list name is my list. Here I have taken three names and here you need to write second list. So this is a my list one equal to this is the first list, my list dot copy and bracket start, bracket close. Then it will copy the data into my list one. And then you have to print the value of my list one. Now, second approach is you have to take second list here. Now, what I have done here I have taken my list two. This is a second list equal to list. And then you have to put down the my data list. This is the list name here I have to pass. So this list data will be moved into this list and here I have printed the value. So let's see, I'm just doing same things. So I have opened the Jupyter notebook. You have to go to Python. So I open it. After opening, I will write down similar code. So I'm just removing this one. Now here I'm just creating first list, team. This is my team list. And now here I need to write list. So here I'm taking John, comma, Kyle, comma, Mary, comma, Jacob. Okay. Then you have to take here team data. This is the second list I have taken. And now you need to copy the team data into this team list. So here I'm taking team one, not team data. Okay. So here I'm taking team one. In team one, I will copy the data of team. So you need to write here team one, team dot copy, bracket start, bracket close. Then you have to print the value of team one. Run it. So see here, if you print here only team's value, so see here, this is the value which is also available in team and same data I have copied into team one as well. Okay. So this is the first approach I have copied. Second approach, here you need to write same list I'm going to copy. Now what you have to do, here I'm just writing team one equal to list. Which data you need to copy? I need to copy the data from team list. Okay. Then you need to write here print and then you need to write here team one. Run it. So see here, data is copied into team one. Okay. Now, if you want to copy the number value, the approach is same. So here I'm taking team sal, team salary, and here I'm taking $3,000, comma $4,500, $2,200. Okay, and now you need to write here team revised salary equal to, you have to take here, no, here I will take team cell one equal to, you have to take here, sorry, here you need to take team cell dot copy, bracket start, bracket close, print. Then you have to take here team cell one, run it. So see here, data is copied into this one. And same data is also available in team cell because here I have copied the data, not cut the data. So if you want to check, you have to remove the one and run it. So see here, output is same. Okay. So this is the first approach to copy the numerical value. Same approach I will apply using list function. So you need to take here team cell equal to, you have to take here 3000 comma 4500 comma 2200. Then you have to come here and write down team cell 1 equal to, you have to take list, and then you need to write here team cell. This is the name of the first list. Then you have to print team cell 1, run it. So see here, it's done. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.